Hello everyone, in this video we are going to build a discount function by using Claude and Shopify documentation, and for this we should have a partner account and a dev store, and we should have installed a Shopify app. I have already created the app and now we are going to change the scope for write discount and read products. So if I go here, and you will see I have installed the app, and the name of this app is dynamic discount. So let me tell Claude to change the scope for us. So we need a write discounts and read products. If you go to the shopify.app.toml, and we have write products and write meta object definition, but we don't have write discount. So I will tell the Claude, can you please add the write discount, write discounts scope to this app, and after giving the prompt to the Claude, Claude will automatically change the scope of our application. And you can see it is asking me permission. Yes, allow all the edit to make the changes in our files. So you can see we have write discount permissions. Next, we will see we need this discount function. We need the 20% off to the products and 10% off to the orders and free shipping delivery. So this is the documentation. We will not use this documentation. We will ask the Claude to make this function for us. So I will go back here and I will tell, can you please create a new discount function where a customer will get 20% off in each product and 10% off in overall total of the order and free shipping as well. So I tell the Claude to make a new function for us, and Claude will handle all the installation of the function and write the code for us as well. Then we will compare that code with the Shopify documentations. So let me close this file and wait for the Claude to finish this. Yes, allow to access the Shopify Dev MCP. So it will access the Shopify documentations. All right, so it is done now. It has generated a discount function extension in this folder, dynamic discount, using the Shopify CLI and other detail provided by the Claude. 20% discount, 100% free delivery. And if I go to the extension folder, you will see we have a new dynamic discount function over here, and in the source we have a different file. So let's try to test this. I will type npm run dev to run this application, and we will test our discount function. So all the code is written by Claude. So I'll select the store from here. So checkout. And I'll press P to open this in our store, and I will also press G to open the GraphQL interface as well. Okay, this is the dynamic discount application, and the app is running well. And if I go to the discount, and I'll see we have a discount already here. Let's delete this discount first. Now we don't have any discount. I will go back here and activate this discount function like this. So I will copy the mutation, paste that over here, and here we will pass our function handle. So our function handle is, if I open this file, this is our function handle. I'll copy that and paste that over here, and you can give the title over here something like dynamic discounts. I'll run this query, and now this function is discount is created. And if I reload this page, you will see a new discount over here, dynamic discounts. And let's test this out. I'll open the store, and I'll try to buy something. For example, this product, I will buy that. And you can see we have 20% discount and 10% of order discount and free shipping. So this is all done by Claude, and you can see over here we have the percentage discount, we have the free shipping discount over here. So if you would like to change anything, just give the command to the Claude, and Claude will handle all the coding over here. So this is how you can make Shopify dynamic discount very easy. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.